Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Fritz on Fritz. I hope your day is going splendidly so far. Currently, 62 degrees and sunny here in the valley on this Friday afternoon. Do you know what time it is? Of course you do. That's why you're here, isn't it? It's taste test time. Today, whoa, did you see that? Today I'm trying Dr. Bombay Syrupy Waffle Sundaze waffle ice cream. If you've tried this, please let me know in the comments what your assessment of it is. I bought this 1 pint carton earlier today at a local grocery store for $3.99. Full disclosure, Albertsons is not a sponsor of this video. Happy Foodie is not a sponsor of this video. Apparently Snoop Dogg is behind this. And Snoop Dogg is not a sponsor of this video. The store had 5 of these cartons in stock in their frozen food aisle with a wide assortment of other ice creams. This one caught my eye, so I figured I'd give it a try. Mm. Smells buttery. And waffle. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. Cheers, everybody. Creamy, smooth, cold, bold, buttery flavor along with vanilla and maple flavor. The ice cream base itself is smooth, not grainy compared to other ice creams I've had. Surprisingly, not as sweet as I expected it to be. There are little bits of waffle in there that added an extra layer of chewiness that almost clashed with the ice cream itself because the ice cream melted almost immediately in my mouth. There is it's really hard to explain, but there's a little bit of a bitter aftertaste. I'm trying to calibrate if that's coming from the syrup flavor that's in here. Like burnt, someone left maple syrup on the stove too long. Hmm. 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 But it seems fresh, and this seems to be a good quality overall for the quantity and the price. I appreciate how easy it is to get a spoonful. The butter flavor, it tastes like real butter, not that chemical metallic aftertaste butter that you get artificial with the popcorn sometimes. But I just can't explain that bitter sensation aftertaste. It's not quite like gnawing on cardboard. You know that sensation or that texture? Mm. The vanilla itself and the ice cream is the star of the show. Not bad. You can take this to a family reunion or a high school graduation. Graduations are coming up next month. Whoa. Oh, oh. Woo. Excuse me. A chewy waffle bit. Mm. And there's that weird, funky aftertaste. I don't know what that is. It's not from the vanilla, because I just had that separately. Vanilla base is a vanilla base. It's probably Madagascar vanilla. Mm. So it has to be, it's either the waffle bit that's a little bit tangy, or it is from the syrup swirl. You can see right there. But other than that little bitter part at the end, overall it's cohesive. It reminds me of classic waffles that have been uh, just drowned in butter, maple syrup, blended all together and then frozen. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will give the Dr. Bombay Syrupy Waffle Sundaze waffle ice cream. I'll give it an 8.23. If it doesn't have that bitter aftertaste for a few seconds, then it would be higher. Uh, if you're rolling in the dough, give this a try. Not bad. Yeah, I'll put this away, save some for later. Maybe have it tomorrow. Have it next week. Ice cream. Oh, coffee. That's what that bitter taste reminds me of. And it reminds me of roasted coffee that's been sitting in the coffee pot for too long. Mm. Safe travels, everybody, if you're heading anywhere. It's a nice day. Happy spring here in the valley. Woohoo, spring day. Wow. Ice cream.